Hello friends, welcome to my channel Way to Well. In this video I am going to show you how to paint in Krita. Today in this video we will learn how to use Krita software for painting. So let us start. Go to here, open this Krita software. Now you can see the Krita software has been launched and we can see how to use this software. First of all, you have to go to the file and create here new, and here you can see the dimensions of the canvas you want to make. You can see here the width is 2480 pixels and the height is this and the resolution is 300. It depends upon you which dimensions you want to have for your canvas. So you can see here the color. You can either choose RGB, XY and grayscale and cyan, magenta, yellow, and I will keep it as it is and support the depth. And here you can see the content where you can name this canvas, for example Krita. Here you can choose the number of layers that the image will start with, including optional background layer, and you can choose the background color here. I will for example use this one, light pink. Okay, and the opacity is 100%, and here you can see that there are different options as well. Now I will click here create. Now you can see here the canvas size which we have earlier set up. Now for example, if I use here is a brush, you can use here brush, click here and you can use the size here. You can either increase the brush size or you can decrease the brush size, and you can also choose color here, which color you want to use. For example, I will use this green and write something here. For example, here I have write some lines here, and you can also mirror this canvas using command M. If you press M, you can either mirror this image or back to, and you can also rotate this image by clicking 4 in anti-clockwise, for example this. And if you want to rotate the image clockwise, you can use 6. You can press down the 6, or you can also use the shift plus space and drag the image here by mouse clicking the. And if you want to reset the image back to its original position, you can press down the 5. Here you can see it's back to its original position. And the second thing is you can either zoom in or zoom out by clicking plus, zoom in, and using minus as well, zoom for zoom out. And if you want to reset the zoom, it's back to its original position, you can use 1. That is, 1 is used for when you want to use 100% image, or you can use 2 to fit zoom to page, see. And if you want to zoom to page window, then you can use 3, and I will here right now use the pressing 2 back to this position. And now here you can see the brush. You can resize the brush here, either you can increase or decrease or increase the brush, or you can use the command shift and plus drag. See, it is increasing and decreasing the width of the brush by clicking shift and pressing down the left click of the mouse and move mouse here, and it can resize the brush. Now the second thing is about picking color. For example, first I will choose here color red, and if I use pick color, I can move over to this color and click left click mouse. See, it have used the same color. And we can also use the color picking by pressing down the control key. For example, onto this and click control and click left click of the mouse, and then you can use the same color. You can also use here multi-brush tool. See, I can use different things, and for example here it can speed up your work and efficiency. Now we can erase this all by clicking this move tool and click here whole window and click delete. All has been removed. Now we can see different brushes here. First brush is ink brush, which is my favorite brush. Here you can choose your favorite brushes. First you can use the ink brush and choose the best one you like. For example this one, and see which type of lines it will create. Write here something. This is an ink pen brush. Now choose the second one. Search here, for example bristles. For example wet bristles, and choose some color. It is usually used for sketching. Now you search some other brushes, for example airbrush, and choose this one. It is also used for sketching. And you can also choose different brushes, for example layout, adjust overlay burn brush. Choose this one and choose this different color and reduce the size of the brush, and see. And you can also use the different brushes like pencil. It will write down like pencils, for example pencil 2, and increase the size of the brush and use here black. Pencil texture, for example, it's a pencil texture. And for example search the next one, pencil tilt charcoal pencil thin. Click on it, and you can also tag your favorite brushes using this command. And for example I will write down here my favorite, and click plus. Try out these brushes all and see which one suits you and use them accordingly. And we can also edit the photographs here, and click here file, open, and use this image. And for example we have here a smart patch tool. For example if you want to remove this pillar, you can click here and you can remove this top of the pillar. For example I will click on it and just choose the area which you want put it on. See, it has been removed, but you can choose it very efficiently. You have to choose the brush's size and the image you want to remove. You can use accordingly. This was all about the beginner's tutorial for using Krita software, and I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.